In this tutorial, we want to look at a path effect called transform by two knots in Inkscape. I'm using Inkscape 1.0. So I'll start by drawing anything at all randomly. It's not necessary what it is. Maybe I go for my Bezier tool, for example. We create a sequence of straight lines. I draw anything at all. I mean, it's just to show how to use the. Now let's say I have something like this, and then I have another path. Let's say I draw another path with the normal Bezier, the regular Bezier. So I just get a handle so I can do something like this. Let's say I have these two things, and now my intent is, this is nothing important. My intent is to maybe put this this corner here, this here, and then put this one here. One way you would have thought you could do is to just go for, let me do a duplicate. Though I do a duplicate of this, and maybe I reduce it a bit so that we put this here, and then I do another duplicate, and then I reduce it and put it there. That just for in case I need a copy of them. Okay. Now this, imagine I have this one thing you could do is just to go for your notes tool and come and pick this and put this here, and pick this and put it. Let's see how it will do. But you see, the moment I'm picking it, I'm distorting my path. So this will not be a solution for what I want. Another solution would be just to select this, and let's say I bring it here, and I maybe I go to shift control, and I try to reduce this until I can get it some way somehow that this goes here and there, this here. But a simpler way is when you can use this technique here. So the technique will be this. Let me go back to what we had like this, and then what you will do is that we go to path, and then we go to path effects, and then you get this dialog box opening, and then you go to plus, and then you go to transform by 2 points. So it transforms it. Let's go for our edit path by nodes tool. You see that it has chosen the first knot to be 1. This is the first knot, and it has chosen the fourth node in this thing, in what I drew, to be the last. But it's not necessary. If that is what you want, you can just go on and bring this here and move this there, making things easier. Another way you can do is that, let's go back again. So I just go back. You can also, if in case you don't want the first, you want to move rather this and move this rather, you can just change this. You know, when you change it, this moves. You can also, and then you can easily I've chosen that I want a helper size of 3, and then I come here, and now I can put this here, and then put this here without distorting anything. So that's more or less how this works. You can also use it for text. Let's see here. If I go here and let's write a text, something like my boat, for example. In the same way, first you let's convert this, since it's a text, let's convert it to a path. So you just go to path, object to path, and then you also give it the transform by 2 nodes, and then if you go for your edit path by nodes tool, you can just pick this and place it here, and pick this and place it there. So that's basically how you can use this. Oh, I forgot to tell you another thing though. It will be nice to look at some other things that I wanted to tell you about. So I would just go on and show you. There are other options here that you can use. If you click here, it says it becomes elastic, so you can if you use this thing here, it can make it like, if you pull it, it becomes it acts like an elastic band. So as you stretch it, you see it's distorted a bit. It's like an elastic band. If you don't want that, and you can also, if you, let's say I take the elastic away, you can also flip it vertically. I mean, this is a test, so it's flipped in a way, but if it was this, I could flip it. You can also flip it horizontally. You can lock the length. So if the length is locked, if I move it now, I cannot extend it anymore. And then you can also lock the angle, so that you cannot just be going around twisting it around and changing it. So in case you do something here, and you can also always reset it to the original thing that it came with. So more or less, this is how you can use the transform by 2 points in Inkscape. Thank you for watching, and please come again, and please help me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Bye.